Meet Sammy Seed. Sammy is sleeping. Shh! Outside, he is hard and strong. But inside, Sammy is ready to grow. Sleepy, sleepy seed. Sammy wants to stretch, push, push, but his coat is too hard. I need help, Sammy whispers. Who can help Sammy? Here comes Rosie the raindrop. Splish, splash. Sammy is thirsty. Rosie gives Sammy a big cool drink. Sip, sip, sip. Look! The water makes Sammy's coat soft. It is not hard anymore. Now, Sammy can break free. Crinkle, crack. Hello, world. Sammy pokes a little root out. Peek-a-boo! But Sammy needs more. He needs to breathe. Seeds need to breathe just like you. Breathe in, breathe out. Sammy needs oxygen. Inhale, exhale. Oh no, too much water. Glug, glug, glug. If the soil is too wet, Sammy cannot breathe. I need air, cries Sammy. The soil must be loose. Wiggle, waggle. Now the air can reach Sammy. Ah, much better. Next, Sammy needs the right temperature. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. Sammy is a sunflower. He loves the warm, cozy soil. Toasty, says Sammy. Stretch, stretch, grow. This is Pip. Pip is an apple seed. Pip likes the cold. Every seed is special and needs different things. Roots go down, down, down. The stem goes up, up, up. Sammy is a brave little explorer, moving in two directions. Hop, out of the ground. Sammy sees the sun. Hello, sun. Sammy has two little green ears. Wiggle, waggle. Look at Sammy now. He is tall and bright. He followed the magic recipe: water, air, and the perfect warmth. Now Sammy has a new seed friend. The story starts again. Good night, Sammy. Grow well, little seeds.